Now I test the condition in if function. How many employees are born at specific day of birth date? I will nest the day function within if function. First active date cell, click in formula bar, type equal sign, type if function, open bracket, type day function, open bracket, click this cell reference, close bracket, enter equal sign, type 22, comma, inverted comma, type yes, again inverted comma, type comma, inverted comma, type no, inverted comma, close bracket. How does formula work? First, day function extracts the day value from cell reference D2. Then, if the extracted value matches the entered value, the condition is true. If function will return value in a given cell, yes. If the extracted value does not match the entered value, the condition is false. If function will return value in a given cell, no. Press enter. Again active this cell. Function return value no in this cell. Because in cell reference D2, the day value is 23 and in tested condition, the value is 22. These values are not equal. In this way, function returns in this cell no value. Now copy and paste the formulas in other cell. Move your pointer at right vertical border bottom edge until its shape changes to plus sign. Double click. Active this cell. You can see in this cell function returns value yes because condition is true. You can see the employee birthday is 22. In this cell reference, function also returns the value yes because day value and tested value are matches. In this way, you can nest the day function within if function.